Hello everyone, my name is Gene and I'm the Curious Crafter Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY craft foam pencil bag in the theme of Captain Marvel. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave some comments below. Enjoy the video. So for this project you need 3 pieces of craft foam. I decided to go with glitter foam because it looks a little bit nicer than the regular foam. You can use any color schemes that you like. I decided to go with the Captain Marvel theme. You also need a zipper to go with it. Here you can see the overall dimensions of the pencil bag. It's basically 2 panels connected by a strip in the middle where the zip is. The front panel is decorated with a red triangle and the yellow star and stripes from the Captain Marvel logo. When I started with this project, I first made a prototype to figure out the dimensions that I want to use and what I wanted to look like. So the product of this was the pink, silver and white version that I showed at the beginning of this video. I drew out the panels by hand and figured it out as I went along. But from the lessons that I learned from this, I made drawings on my computer so that I can tweak them easily and check the layout and also keep the plans for future reference. So I printed out these drawings and I then traced them onto the craft foam for this version that I'm showing you now. This is actually one of my favorite parts of the build, when you start to assemble the pieces together and you can almost see what the end result will look like. I always thought that adding a zipper would be difficult. I don't know why. I think it's because I associate it with sewing. So I was really surprised when I did it the first time and I figured out how easy it was with the craft foam and hot glue. I've had a few questions on my channel about this tool. It's called sheet metal scissors. It's like a heavy duty scissors that you would use to cut things that you would normally struggle to cut with the regular scissors. And I use it to cut things like zippers and popsicle sticks, sheet metal and even thick plastic. And I really prefer to use this because I don't want to mess up my regular scissors. When you start to put this whole thing together and you want to glue the zipper to the 2 panels, it's really important that you line them up correctly. I like to have the zipper centered at the top so it looks equal on both sides. So I mark the middle of the zipper and also the panels. I line them up and then glue these points together first, and then I work my way around with the glue to glue the rest on. I usually don't mind how it looks on the inside. I just don't want a big mess of glue on the outside that I have to clean up afterwards. So what I tend to do is I put the glue on the panels and then I push the red strip with the zipper from the outside inwards to push the glue inwards and then prevent glue from piling up on the outside that I have to clean up. Sometimes the glue does get through and you can easily touch this up, but it's usually minimal. And after doing it a few different ways, it just seemed to me that this was the easier way to do it. Before I started my channel, I did like to do a few DIY things around my house, and I also had a lot of experience through studying engineering, but I never really got to do much crafting with the kind of things you would buy at a craft shop. So I'm actually discovering all these amazing things as I plan for the videos that I make now, and for these things that I make for my kids or for my house or wife. And specifically, I never actually worked with craft foam before I did a video on how to make kids' purses. I made these little kids' purses for my daughters one day, and I was surprised on how easy it was to use the craft foam, how strongly it bonds with hot glue. It looks nice and it gives like a texture to it, so I decided to actually use it in a lot of the toy kind of things that I make for my kids. I use it to decorate most of the things, so you add color, and I use it instead of painting basically because it seemed like it's cleaner and easier and looks a little bit better to me. But after I did this video where I did the kids purses, I had another idea. I made Hello Kitty themed purses as well, and this is still one of my more popular videos. Then I made PJ Masks superhero backpacks out of craft foam, which is also quite cool. And then recently a friend asked me if I can make a video tutorial on how to make the pencil bag or pencil case, and this is what led to this video. And I'll add some links in the description if you want to check these videos out. The final pencil bags actually looks really amazing to me. I was surprised. It looks better than what I thought it would look. And my daughters can't wait to get their hands on these. When I showed them the first time, they were just like, oh, they want it now, they want it now. But I have to still keep them because I have to take photos and stuff for my content. But anyway, when I first made the pink, white and silver one, I thought that one was gonna be my favorite. And it will be difficult to beat it with the other colors. But now that I see the red, blue and yellow Captain Marvel color one, I think this is definitely my favorite. It beats the other one for me. I would like to hear what you guys think. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to try out some other colors or other designs, let me know in the comments below. I think it would be so nice to make the same bag and then decorate it with, I don't know, a unicorn or a panda or something on front. Any animal that you want with the craft foam, that would look really cool. Anyway, so the two designs are exactly the same dimensions, but there is a difference in the white, silver and pink one has rounded stripes and the red, blue and yellow one has straight stripes. I did this just to give a little bit more variation for you guys to work with, to have some more ideas. I think that in the end the one looks like a girly version, the other one looks like a boy version. I don't know what you guys think, but anyway, for me they both look really awesome. I tend to like the red, blue and yellow one a little bit more, but let me know in the comments below, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and let me know if you have any ideas, some things you want me to make, some things you want me to try, where I can improve my content. Please let me know. I hope you have a great day, guys.